How to change the color of a shape. All right, so let's say that this here is my house and I want it to be a different color. So to change the color, it's really easy. First, you have to select the shape or else your computer won't know what shape you're changing. And I'm going to click once to do that. Great. Now look up top at the menu and see the little paint bucket. So the paint bucket is for filling in colors on a lot of different programs. I'm going to click on it. Right now it's blue and I can see the little blue there. It matches this color. Click and then I can pick a color. You can also make custom colors down here by clicking this, and then you can really have a good time with it. Let's do another one. All right, click once, come up to the paint bucket, pick a different color, and that's how you change the color of the shape in Google Slides.